stay inside your house. I'm not going to talk about Nigeria right now. It's not going to affect my peace. Clean your phones. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, we're just going to go straight to the video. It's going to be a get ready with me, chit chat, get ready with me type of video. I don't know what I'm going to be talking about, but you know, we move. First off, I'm going to prime my face, and primer I'm going to be using is this. Anyways, I'm just going to use my Huda Beauty primer, prime my face. I had a really bad breakout, so all of my spots are just like in my face. It's just all up in your screen. I'm sure. Now that I'm done priming my face, I'm going to start with my eyebrows. I don't think I'm going to talk while I do my eyebrows because it's such a stress talking while doing my brows. I'm just going to be using this random brow pencil. Got it like a long time ago and the name has faded out. I'm sure you guys have what you use for your eyebrows. So when I'm done drawing my brows, I'm going to go with my Elegant Pro concealer and my brush and fix it. I'm done with my eyebrows. I don't know, I hope it's okay. It feels like it's jumping out of my face, but anyways, we move. So yes, now I'm going to start with my foundation because that's what I do next after I do my brows. And the foundation I'm going to be using is the Huda Beauty foundation, and I'm going to mix it with this NYX because the Huda Beauty is too bright for me. So I'm going to make that up and fix. So how are you guys doing? How is life? How is the quarantine going, or self-isolation or social distance going? Well, I'm handling it well, I guess. This looks very bright, too bright for my skin. I'm handling it okay as an introvert. So when I'm done with my foundation, I'm going to go in with my beauty blender just to make sure the foundation is seated properly or is blended into my face properly. We can start with the video now because I was seeming very confused. So how are you guys doing? How is the self-isolation and self-quarantine going? For me, I'm actually handling it okay because I've not gone out in 2 weeks. I've not stepped out of my door. I know some people are not really used to being indoors. For me, I'm used to being indoors and I'm sort of an introvert, so that just helps my life because we always stay indoors. I can casually choose to stay indoors for 2 weeks. Today I'm just going to be sharing tips on things to do, how to live, I guess. Not how to live, I'm not trying to teach you how to live, but I'm sure you guys understand the point. First off, you need to find hobbies, or you need to find things to do. Like when you wake up, you should have a routine. Like obviously we all have our morning routines. You guys have your morning routines, right? Yeah, you do your morning routine, or you set up a morning routine, and after you set up your morning routine, you could as well just incorporate other things. Like after your morning routine, you plan your day, or you can plan your day the night before, so that way you're not bored, or you're not just, you know, sitting around and wondering what's going on with your life. Because I feel like this whole thing, if you use it properly, you can actually get your life back on track, because some of us were behind schedule. If you're someone that does not like or necessarily like routines, you could plan your days like differently the night before. So that's one point. The next point is find new hobby. For example, if you always wanted to learn how to sew, you could get a sewing machine and start sewing. If you always wanted to learn how to edit videos, you could do that. If you always wanted to learn how to do anything that requires like staying in one place, you could also do that, because this is like the best time, because it's not like you're missing out on anything. Everyone is in their houses, so just learn that thing you wanted to learn, watch that movie you wanted to watch, and I'm sure you'll be fine. You could read books, because books give knowledge, so if you have knowledge, it's a good thing, okay? So anyways, you could learn to read, you could read books, create a routine, learn a new hobby, like just do things, like just plan your days, and I'm sure you'll be fine. It's just because most people are overthinking it, like, oh my god, I cannot go out, so they start panicking, but that's not good. It's not good. I feel like I'm blabbing. So now I'm done blending out the highlighter. I'm trying to make it look as natural as possible, so you have to blend it out very well. I'm sure this video is all over the place, but I didn't really plan it, so I just decided, let me just talk about anything in this video. So the next thing you could also do in this period is exercise. I know some of us, we've been eating Boy, we've been eating a lot of food because you know we're bored, we're inside the house. Every 2 seconds you stand up from your bed. This is my life. Every like maybe hour I stand up from my bed. If I'm on my bed, I go to the fridge, open the fridge, look at the fridge, go back to my room and continue what I'm doing. After another hour, I'm just doing that because you want to eat. Like, you have nothing to do, especially when you're bored or free and you have nothing to do. That's what happens when you're free and idle and you have nothing to do. To distract you, you tend to want to eat, and when you're doing that, you're gaining weight, and when you're gaining weight, yeah, and you're not working out, you're going to come out from quarantine looking like a pot of beans. You don't want that to happen to you, do you? No. So exercise. For me, I got I don't know if I will actually receive it. I bought a workout mat. Start working out at home. I started working out at the gym, but now that this virus decided to spoil my shine, I cannot go to the gym anymore. So I decided to just get like workout mats and do one of those workout videos that people usually do, so I can, you know, still stay in shape. Because the way I've been eating, y'all, I eat 3 square meals, 3 heavy square meals or heavy 3 square meals. I don't know, but I know I eat. I've been eating and eating, but I'm trying to reduce the way I eat. I don't know how possible that is, but we're going to try because we need to stay healthy. But anyways, exercise is the point. So yes, exercise, or you could also do yoga. That's also a form of exercise as well. So the next point is, I'll suggest you get games. Like, get all kinds of games, even the games you cannot play. Get it. You will learn all of them, because the boredom that is hitting everyone is loud. Play games. Play as much games as you can. Interesting games, mind games, like, you know, games that will actually enable you to have sense. Brain games that will move your brains. Just don't sit down and be bored and do nothing. The next thing is eat good food. I know some of us stocked up on so much junk that we don't even realize we're just eating junk, but we actually do need to eat healthy in this season because our immune system we're trying to strengthen. So try as much as possible to eat healthy, because that's just going to help. The next point is stay inside your house. Let me repeat it. I don't think you heard it. Stay inside your house. You guys don't understand how important this is. Some people in other countries like Nigeria, I'm shading Nigeria right now. I'm not going to talk about Nigeria right now. It's not going to affect my peace. So if you're in a country where people are not taking this thing serious, don't play yourself. Just quietly stock up and stay in your house, because that's all I have to say. So now I'm going to start with my eyeshadow. I'm really going for a really neutral look. So now I've advised you people to stay in your house. I'm going to start with my eyeshadow, and for my simple look, I usually try to use 1 eyeshadow or 2. So I'm going to use this as a transition, and then I'm going to go in with this. So the next point is wash your hands very often. I don't know how else to emphasize this, but you actually need to wash your hands as often as possible, because if only we could see the microorganisms and the tiny dirt and everything we carry around, I'm sure you guys will wash your hands. But just get like one of those affecting hand wash and try as much as possible to wash your hands. Sanitize your hands if you're not in a place where you can wash your hand. Sanitizing your hand is not the same as washing your hand. They are 2 different things, very different from each other. So sanitizing your hand, I would suggest it's in a place you do that where you're not really close to a place where you can wash your hands. That's where you sanitize your hand. Like when you're outside, when you touch things, when you collect money, you sanitize your hand. But then when you get home, what I would suggest you do is you take out your clothes, you let them dry, put them under the sun. If there's sun in your area, there's no sun in Istanbul for about 3 days now. I don't understand why, but put it out under the sun. If you can wash them, you wash them, and then wash your hands as well. I would suggest you take a shower, but not everybody likes taking shower. I don't know why you don't want to take shower in this pandemic, but it's your choice. I know it exists, but like watching so many movies and all these conspiracy theories that I've been reading is just messing me up. So I'm just going to stop there. So wash your hands often, shower as often as you can, clean your environment. You know how people always say, oh, sanitize your hands, wash your hands and everything. What they don't say is clean your phone. Clean your phones. You don't know the amount of germs that are on your phone, and when it's still the same hands you used to touch your phone, and after touching your phone you wash your hands and you go back to touch your phone. You're playing yourself, because you just played yourself. I feel like I'm talking too much. I need to clean this now on my face. So wash your hands, clean your phones, then wash your hands, then you're good to go. Because I don't understand how you wash your hands and then go back, touch your dirty phone and still touch your face. So try as much as possible to clean your phones. Remember to clean your phones because we touch our phones very often. So I'm just going to blend this out of my face. When I'm done blending that out, I'm going to apply my contour. So yes guys, try as much as possible to disinfect as often as possible because you don't know where the germs is coming from. Y'all should take this thing serious, man. Stay in your houses. I don't know why it's so difficult for people to just listen and stay in their houses. I don't know, like, what are you going to look for outside? When you stay in your house for a week and this thing dies down, I don't know if it will die down, but let's say everyone obeys and stays in their house and spread reduces, like, we'll go back to our normal routine, I guess, faster than people actually staying out. So what is the lockdown like in your country, wherever you are? Are you guys on lockdown? Are you guys still going about your daily life, or what are you guys doing? Because me, I don't know what's going on outside. I'm just in my house. Now that I'm done with everything, since this is a simple makeup look, I don't know if I should apply lashes. I think I'm going to apply lashes, but this is more like a very simple look. I'm going to do my eyes. I'm just going to put my kajal and my eyeliner and then fix my lashes. Okay, so you guys should just watch me. So I'm just going to highlight my face using this old highlighter that I have. I don't know what the name is. I don't know where I got it from. So I'm really sorry about that. And I'm just going to highlight my face. So I feel like I've shared everything I possibly share with you, or how I'm coping, how you guys cope, because you guys just need to stay safe out there. So yes, when I'm done with that, I'm just going to go apply my lashes. I think that's all I can say or share with you guys, because if you are smart and you are wise, you would heed to instructions and stay in your houses. That's all I can say about this whole thing and how I'm coping. I'm going to line my lips using this eyeliner. I'm going to put it on the screen, and then I'm going to apply my lip gloss. I don't want to apply a lip. Then I'm going to use this golden rose lip gloss and just apply that on my lip. So I'm going to go wear my I'm back. I changed my top because yeah, I wanted to, you know, put on my hair. This is my hair in cornrows because I'm protective styling. Let me just wear it so you guys would see the hair I'm going to be wearing. Guys, look at this hair. Look at this hair. I don't know, okay, no, it's not actually the first time I've had a curly blonde-ish wig, but this honey brown, guys, this honey brown, oh my god, nobody's on my level right now. But anyways, yeah, this is the hair. This is one of my old hair. I have a video on this hair, I think, on my channel. I think so. I'm going to put a link up here. I've had this hair for about a year plus, so I just dyed it. My friend Kemi dyed it for me. I'm going to put a link if you're in Istanbul and you need someone to do your hair. Her name is Wig Me on Instagram. You guys should check her out. She does wigs and her wigs are like the bomb. You should check her out and patronize her and tell her I sent you. Okay, I've come to the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys stay safe in this situation going on. This is my neutral makeup look. It can be used as an everyday look if you want to. If you do not want to, it's your choice, but this is something I would use as my go-to. Like, I have an occasion to go to, I don't want to look too glammed up. This is it, and this is more like my normal makeup routine because I'm someone who does like minimal makeup looks. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please click the subscribe button if you've not clicked it, and also the notification bell as well, just so you know whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think of my makeup and this hair, this luscious hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.